Ever switched your higher AC to heat mode, expecting a warm and cozy room, only to be greeted by a blast of cold air? Yeah, frustrating. But don't worry, I'll help you get it working properly. First, let's talk about how heat mode actually works. Unlike cooling, which pushes hot air out, this mode does the opposite. It pulls warmth from the air outside and brings it inside. Yes, even in cold weather. But if it's freezing outside, your higher AC might struggle a bit, so don't be surprised if it takes longer to warm up. Now, setting it up is simple. Grab your higher remote and press the mode button until you see the little sun icon. That's heat mode. Set your temperature to around 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, 68 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for a comfortable room. Cranking it up higher won't heat the room faster. It'll just spike your electricity bill. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. The AC won't start blowing warm air instantly. It takes a few minutes to warm up, so if it's quiet at first, that's completely normal. For the best results, adjust your fan speed depending on how fast you want the heat to spread. If you want warmth quickly, a higher fan speed helps, but if you prefer steady, quiet heating, keep it low or on auto mode. Also, check where your vents are pointing. Since heat rises, directing the airflow slightly downward keeps the whole room warm instead of just heating the ceiling. But be careful where the air is blowing. Direct airflow on your head or face for extended periods can cause discomfort, like headaches or dry skin, and may even make you feel a bit lightheaded. It's best to avoid directing the vents straight at you. To speed up the heating process, turn on the turbo, or high-power function if your higher remote has it. This will maximize the fan speed and help distribute warm air faster. But once the room feels comfortable, switch back to a lower fan speed to maintain the temperature quietly and efficiently. Here's a pro tip. Keep your windows and doors closed while using heat mode. Now, let's address some common issues. If your higher AC isn't heating properly, double-check that it's actually in heat mode. Sounds obvious, but it happens. Keep in mind that heating is only supported in two-way air conditioners, so if you have a cooling-only unit, it won't produce warm air. Remember, it takes a few minutes for the AC to start blowing warm air, so don't panic if it's not immediate. In very cold weather, your AC may temporarily switch to defrost mode to melt ice buildup on the outdoor unit. This is normal, and heating will resume once the cycle is complete. While waiting, make sure the AC is running by checking if the indoor unit's fan is operating and the outdoor unit isn't obstructed by snow or debris. Clean clogged filters as they can reduce airflow and slow down heating. If it's freezing outside, your higher AC may struggle since it relies on outdoor air for warmth. In that case, consider using an extra heater as backup. For more thorough troubleshooting, ensure the thermostat is set correctly and check for leaking ducts or frozen evaporator coils, as these issues can restrict airflow, reduce refrigerant levels, and disrupt heating efficiency. That's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer.